All right, this video is filmed entirely by the GoPro Hero Lit. The audio is from the GoPro Hero Lit internal microphones, so it is what it is. I did adjust it a little bit to get a better sound, the best I could out of it. A lot of background noise, so I was able to kind of reduce that down. Anyway, all the footage again is from the Hero Lit, so enjoy, and I'll come back and talk to you at the end. We're headed to the airport. We're going to talk about the GoPro Hero Lit. Is it good for you? I don't know. I like it. Still like it. Still using it. Let's go. This snow is crazy. It is mid-March. This is Reagan Airport. My flight's delayed 4 hours, so that's awesome.
How's this look walking through the airport at Reagan?
So we're gonna grab some lunch here at PF Chang's to go. The GoPro Hero Lit's a camera that I've been using for quite some time now. Is it your main camera? Is it your B camera? I think it's more of a C camera than anything else. So what that means to me is that the one you throw in your bag, leave in your bag, and you take it out for like runs, places you're gonna go and not expect to use a camera. You kind of throw it in your pocket because it's so small. It's that kind of thing. So you don't expect too much of it, and you want to grab some different interesting shots along the way. It's not a camera for everyone because it gives like an old school feel to it from an old or GoPro kind of feel, like a GoPro Hero 7 kind of feel. And I do like what GoPro does after the fact. So not just recording the video with the camera itself, it's also taking the footage and putting it on the cloud and doing a quick edit, add some keel to it, or if you want to look, may have a filter look to it. And then you go home and you plug it in and it pumps up the Wi-Fi to your subscription service, and it's there. It's there on your phone, it's there on your TV if you have Apple TV. It's just there and it's easy to access. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. GoPro Hero Lit. Crazy, huh? And it's a flashlight. Doesn't have to be a camera. It could be a flashlight.